Today I have for you a fun Play-Doh campfire set. We're gonna open it, we're gonna cook some eggs and bacon, some steak, we're gonna make sandwiches. Woohoo! So much fun! Let's see what we have in this box. Let's open it with our safety scissors. Boink! Good. This is the back of the box. All the things that we're gonna discover. Let's open the other side. One more try. There we go. So in here we're gonna find a pan where we're gonna fry our egg and everything. We have a square cutter, a circle cutter. We have all the shapes in our sandwiches, a campfire, some bugs that we're gonna make. We have the sticks for our marshmallows. That's more pepperoni, mustard, chips, cookies. Yummy! Let's open it up. How exciting is this? Let's go in the side and open this fun box. And down it goes. Let's put the box over here in the back so that we can see it. And what do we have in here? Oh, cool. This is a mat. This is where our campfire is gonna be. Great. And now here we have the rocks for the campfire. Cool. You can make some shapes in there too. That's the back. Great. Awesome, awesome stuff. We have some bees, some bugs, some squirrels. I can see a snail over there. Great. And now we have the wood. This is where the fire is gonna come out. Great. That's the side. That's the back. It's like a crust or an X. Awesome. And now we have our old Play-Doh. We have 5 containers of Play-Doh. Let's open them. Maybe we should grab the scissors. Yeah. That's easier. You can also always ask your parents for help. Here we have white Play-Doh. Awesome, that's for our eggs and our marshmallows. Great. We have some yellow Play-Doh. Here he comes. Great. Back here with his friend. We have some orange Play-Doh. And now we have red. Some red in here. That's great. And the last one is brown. Well, that makes sense. Very good. We have all our Play-Doh in there. So now let's open this bag and see what we have. Cut it, cut it, cut it. Awesome. Let's let it down. Great. A lot of fun stuff in here. We have a rock that goes in our campfire. 2 rocks. Awesome! here we have our first shape. Boink, 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 boink. Our round cutter. Our square cutter. That will be great to cut the cheese. A fork. Great for eating. Very handy. A lemon. Strawberry, my favorite fruit. Yummy. And some bananas. Do you know bananas are really good for your brain? You should always eat a banana. And here we have our bread. Awesome. That's our plate. And in the back we have some shapes that we can make. I think that's a chip. And it's such a cute, and that's for cookies, and that's a chip. Yeah, yes, that's a cookie. It looks like a cookie, isn't it? Yeah. And here we have our plate. Very, very cute. And more very important, the pan where we're gonna cook all our food. We have a steak, eggs, and bacon. Yummy, great breakfast. Or lunch, or dinner. You can see the shapes over there. Yay, cool. Let's put this guy over here. These are our sticks. Yes, great. You always need marshmallows when you're in a campfire. Come on. What's up with this guy? Great. We did it. It looks like a cookie cutter. This is where you're gonna put all our condiments like mustard or ketchup. A knife, very important. That's the back of the knife, and this is the front. Very cute. Okay, now this is very important. This is what we're gonna use to flip our food so that we don't get burned. And here you have it. Here's the mat that we got in the box. We have our Play-Doh over here. And I'm gonna show you what we have in this beautiful, beautiful mat. We had some footprints over here. We have a butterfly, some flowers, a bunny rabbit, water and a fish. There's a frog. We have a tent. But we're gonna start with the campfire. First of all, you have to put rocks so that the fire doesn't go crazy and goes everywhere. And we're gonna put the rocks over there. This one goes here. And this other one, that's the hot dog shape. I like to make my own hot dogs. Let's see how it goes. This is the wood part, that's the top of the campfire. It goes here. Now, we're gonna make some fire. Some orange, some red, and yellow. Let's put these guys back there and open it. I always like the smell of Play-Doh. That's the red one. Let's take a little bit more. Some orange. Play-Doh. Fun colors. Put them together. Yay! I'm gonna make it like that, flat, so that when we mix it, they're all mixed very, very well. So now we're gonna grab some yellow. Yellow goes in the middle, and then we're gonna make it like a sandwich and squeeze it. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Make a ball in there. See how most of the red is on the top layer, so that's what we want, so that we see a lot of red, a little bit of orange here, a little bit of yellow there. Let's see how this works. We put it down here and squeeze. Good job, right? Isn't it that fun? Great colors. It really looks like fire. Now we get some yellow. And we're gonna start making the shapes down here. What do we have here? It's a snail. Cute snail. This one is a honeybee. There's always honeybees around. Honeybees are so important for everything. We need them for the flowers to grow and our tomatoes and everything that we eat. We need bees. Such a cutie. Here we have a red lizard. You can find some red lizards in the desert. And we're gonna get some white. It's a worm, a very friendly worm. Here we have this cute guy. And now let's start cooking. Let's preheat our pan. The first thing we're gonna make is an egg, a fried egg. Let's use a round cutter. Perfect. And we have the egg white. so that you don't get burned. It's cooking. Now we're gonna make some steaks and bacon. Let's slap some white in there because it has some white. This is gonna be your bacon. Just squeeze it in there. Ooh, that worked really good. You see it? Great. Put it back here, and we're gonna use our knife to cut the edges. Let's put our fried egg over there. And our bacon is ready. Let's put it together in the plate. Then we'll cook everything together on the pan. I think that sounds like a good idea. Now let's grab some more red, and we're gonna make the steak. So we also need a little bit of white in there for the bone and the red on top. Yummy steak. Okay, ready. We're ready to cook everything. First, the steak. Beside it will go the egg and our yummy bacon. Great, it's looking good. Let's flip everything so that it cooks in both sides. Yummy, yummy. This is making me really hungry. It's done in that side. Now let's flip it around. Oh, come on, bacon. Come on, work with me. Oh, not again. Uh-oh. Alright. Oh, we lost the bacon. Put it back in there. Great. Yummy, yummy. In the meantime, we're gonna make a toast. Let's grab some white Play-Doh. Squeeze it in here. This meal is looking great. Well, this is ready. Let's put it on the plate. here, maybe the other side. Yeah, great. And now with our square cutter, we're gonna make some cheese. Some yellow cheese. Great. Do you like cheese? I really like cheese. I like cheese on everything. My favorite cheese is mozzarella cheese. Pizza mozzarella. Yummy, yummy. Here we have it. Perfect slice of cheese on top of our bread. That's looking great. It's almost ready. In the meantime, let's get some. What should we make? A slice of pepperoni sounds great. With our circle cutter, tiny pieces of white, it's ready. Our food is good. Good to go. Let's put a steak in the side. Our egg is going on the toast. And our yummy, yummy bacon. Perfect. Shall we eat? Let's try this bacon. Okay friends, to be always really healthy and our brain works really good, we always have to have some fruit in our meals. Fruit and vegetables are so important, so let's make some. We're gonna start making a lime. Full of vitamin C. Perfect. Some bananas. Very nice. And a nice red strawberry. sitting there. Perfect. And now let's start making some hot dogs. Great. Let's cook this piece. Let's move it so that it doesn't burn. That's looking good. In the meantime, let's make some hot dog bun. A little bit more. Yay. Perfect, this is looking good. Who's hungry? Let's get our hot dog. Put it in the bun. Squeeze it in there. That looks great. And I like mustard in my hot dog. So let's get some yellow color. And squeeze it in here. Perfect. Let's see how this goes. Oh, look at that. Great. Perfect. I think we're gonna need more than one. Let's make 2 more. This is how we make the hot dog. You can also make it with the shape that is under the box, but I like to do my own hot dogs. So we're gonna leave it over here. And this is our second hot dog. Good. Our fire is going great. This is not burning. Let's keep moving it. This campfire is so good. So good. Let's make the buns. We have the first one ready. Good. ready. Let's get some mustards for these bad boys. These guys are ready. But I think we're still missing something. And that is some French fries. So let's get a square cutter. Have a perfect square. That's good. And with the knife, very carefully, we're gonna cut it. Nice, straight, thin lines for a French fry. They're ready to go. In the pan. Let's move them. Very good. Almost ready. They're nice and crunchy. Put them beside our hot dog and eat. Who's ready to eat some hot dogs and French fries and fruit? But first, we're gonna get something to drink. How about some water? Some nice fresh water. Let's get some blue in our cup. Some touches of white. Good, a glass of water. Let's have our steak. Big bite. Very good. Yummy bacon. Put it on toast with our eggs. Yummy. Should we have a bite? Big bite. Great. 2 more, maybe 3. Yummy. How about some hot dogs? Eat. French fries. And for dessert, strawberry. A lime. And some bananas. Yum, yum. Let's have a drink of water. Glug, glug, glug. After we have all our food, we're gonna roast some marshmallow. Doesn't that sound great? Let's start. Perfect marshmallow. Let's get doing this one. Who doesn't like to roast marshmallow on a campfire? There's no campfire if there's no marshmallows. One more. Great! So much fun! Let's eat our marshmallows! Yummy yum! I hope you have fun watching this video. If you want more, please subscribe to our page and don't forget to click like. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.